We interrupt this program for an emergency alert which we will explain to you. In the next hours, the wind will start to go higher than normal, reaching up to 60 miles per hour. It is going to be high, because the average day air is only 4 miles per hour, which will mean there will also be a tornado risk due to the intense wind. Please note that small parts of your home will be taken by the air due to being such intense air, and may take some heavy stuff, or it may depend on the air and one of your objects that will be taken. To avoid this intense air, make sure you are inside and in a secure shelter or room. Duck in your room so you won't be taken by the air. Once you are ducked, stay on that position until the air is done going through your home. Make sure to have a small radio or TV to be able to hear or see any further notice. Grab a lantern in case your safe shelter or room is dark, or no lights are installed. We hope you survive this intense air. God be with you all.